guys, it's me Mia, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on Artify brush markers. I typically use Ohuhu markers, but recently Artify has caught my eye, and it doesn't seem to be as popular as Ohuhu, but the reviews I've seen have been favorable, so I decided to give Artify an try. I purchased Artify's largest set of brush markers from Amazon for $69.99. There's a total of 108 markers. The markers come in a nice case with 12 slots, and each slot holds 9 markers. I like the case and the markers stand vertical, which makes it easier for me to see and find them. The markers are organized by color, and each marker has an alphanumeric label. The rows in the provided swatch card correspond with the markers in each slot, so that makes it easy to find the markers while you swatch them. I really like these Artify markers. They're becoming my favorite ones to use. The colors are vivid and juicy. There's a variety of saturated and non-saturated colors, and I like the feel of the matte barrel in my hand. Fall is one of my favorite seasons, and I really love seeing all the different colored trees. It makes me feel happy and fuzzy. So right now I'm going to use these Artify markers to create my own fall masterpiece. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the video. Bye!